Everyone else's art is so cool, but I still don't know what kind of art to do for the show. That is loud. Wow, that bird is dancing. Wait, that's it. I'll do a dance for the show. Hey, Chester, I just saw the most amazing thing, a dancing bird.
I'm putting in Rainforest Dancing Bird.
That one!
The superb bird of paradise. Wow!
So the male bird makes a dance floor by sweeping away dirt and branches.
And then it calls to the females.
I heard it. It was loud.
And when they come, it goes into its dance. They snap their tail feathers.
It sounded like snapping fingers.
Wow, look at that!
Now that's a rainforest dance.
Welcome to the Rainforest Art Show.
Hi! Floggy! Please! Yeah! And now, Lily! Step to the left, bounce to the right, strut like a bird of paradise, sway like a palm tree in the breeze, to the rainforest dance with me. Step to the left, bounce right, hooray! This is how we strut when the music plays, sway like a palm tree in the breeze, to the rainforest dance with me. Step left, bounce right, and now sway! Step left, bounce right, do the rainforest dance with me. Come on! Do the rainforest dance with me. Bang on! Do the rainforest dance with me.
Another hypothesis.
What's that?
A hypothesis is what you think might be the answer to a question. In this case, why ostriches put their heads in the sand. They might do it because they're scared, but there might be another reason.
Well, my hypothesis is that they do it to hide from predators, from animals that want to eat them.
But that leaves their whole body sticking out unprotected.
Yeah, and if its head is in the ground, it won't be able to see a predator coming. Well, that might make them pretty silly, but you never know. So let's go find out.
Why ostriches bury their heads in the sand? Let's find out what those ostriches are doing.
Come on! Shh, we don't want them to run away.
Right. And I have just the thing to help us get really close to them. They're not real. I made them. They're hollow inside, so they're easy to carry. We can hide behind them and get closer to the ostriches. Wow,
Everybody,
Shh. Quiet, everybody. There they are. Shh. Come on. Let's try to get closer.
Wow, they're even bigger close up.
You know, we haven't seen any ostriches stick their head in the sand yet. Wait, I think that one is.
But there haven't been any loud noises, and there aren't any predators around here.
Those were two of the things we thought. So maybe that's not it. But it could still be hot. Or itchy. Look, there goes another one. Putting its head in the sand. Is it? I can't see what it's doing. I think we should try to get closer. Ginormous eggs! The eggs! Wow! Those are definitely the biggest eggs in the world. That must be its nest. Look, it's turning the eggs with its beak. That's why it keeps lowering its head.
They're not sticking their heads in the sand at all. They're sticking their heads in their nests.
Which are a hole in the ground. We figured it out.
Their necks are so long and their heads are so small that when they bend down, it just looks like they're sticking their head in the sand.
And now we know, because we investigated for ourselves.
And now I know something about ostriches.
We all do. Nash, watch out!
Whoa!
Nash! Shh! Ostriches! It's hot. I wish I'd brought my hat. Here! My hat! You brought it in your backpack?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, thanks, Nash. High five, buddy. Whoa! Oops. How about I carry that for a bit? I'm so hot.
Whew. I'm sweaty.
I'm hot and sweaty.
Oh, I wish I brought some water.
Water!
Wawa, Wawa. For everybody.
Thanks, Nash. Maybe bringing that backpack wasn't such a bad idea.
Actually, it's turning out to be a really great idea.
Hey, look! Rhinos? They're still a little far. Yeah. Perfect. Thanks, Nash. Yup. Let's go. Don't forget the backpack.
I got it, buddy.
I'll help. Rhinos! We found them! Boy, they're big.
One of the biggest land animals. Elephants are the biggest.
Rhinos are so big that nothing around here eats them.
What's up with those little birds?
It looks like they're pecking at the rhinos' backs.
Eating bugs. I think you're right, Nash. The birds are picking bugs off the rhinos and eating them.
I've heard of them. They're called oxpeckers. They help the rhinos by keeping them free of bugs.
And the rhinos help the oxpeckers by giving them a source of food.
No wonder the rhinos let the oxpeckers peck them.
They're both getting something they need. Just like Nash helped us out today.
Yeah, we never would have made it to see the rhinos without Nash and his backpack. And Nash would have never made it here with his backpack without everyone helping to carry it. I wonder what else he's got in there.
Whoa! Stuff. Teddy, bouncy ball, helmet, socks, book, zippers. My stuff.
Well, I guess we better help Nash get all of his stuff back into his backpack.
And get it all the way back to the Polo mobile.
Right. Another hot, sweaty, thirsty hike to right over there. We barely left the Polo mobile.
Oh, you're right. Look.
There you go, buddy. Oh, no.
You okay, Nash? I know. I'm upset too. Maybe we can find a way to help.
Help, Totos! Clean up!
Nash is right. We need to do something about this garbage.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah. It's cleanup time.
I'll get the Polo Marine.
Marco, go there!
Over there? Can do.
Lily, that way.
That way?
I'm on it. Chester! Come here!
Huh? Chester, he's saying, come with me.
Uh-huh.
Why can everyone understand Nash but me?
I don't know. Everybody clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up, clean up. Get the mess gone, get your clean on. Everybody clean up, clean up.
It's a great big world with a big responsibility. And if we work together, we can keep our planet clean.
But the very best way you can help is to pick up after yourself. Then let's go be a cleanup team. Everybody clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up, clean up. Get your mess gone, get your clean on. Everybody clean up, clean up. The ocean's a big place and there's still lots of it to clean up. But we did a great job here. Especially you, Nash.
Yeah, we're really proud of you. And Nash, now I hope you understand the importance of cleaning up after yourself.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Nash.
Hey, that's Venus. It's so bright.
Really bright. Not only is it bright, it's really hot. The hottest planet in the solar system. The air in its atmosphere traps the heat. Wonder how Chester's doing.
I'm sure he's keeping busy.
Looky, looky, looky. Yeah, Nash, that's where we live, Earth. It's so beautiful. My personal favorite. Me too.
Me 3.
See you soon, Earth. We're coming up on Mars, the 4th planet from the sun. Whoa, it's really red. But what's that white stuff? Those are polar ice caps, just like Earth.
Hey, Chester. Oh, hi. Where are you guys now?
We're just passing Jupiter. It's so big, it's hard to miss.
It's the largest planet in the solar system. Did you know that Jupiter is 1,300 times bigger than Earth?
Yeah, huge. And it's mostly gas, right?
And it has lots of storms, too. There's one that's been going on for over 300 years.
Whoa, that's a long time for bad weather. So, Chester, we're making really good time. We'll be there soon.
Okay, see you in a bit.
Look, Nash, Saturn.
Wings, pretty wings.
Yeah, it has rings. Cool, aren't they? They're made of millions of ice crystals. Some of them are really teeny tiny, no bigger than a speck of dust. And some of them are enormous, big as a house.
I'm dancing like nobody's watching, 'cause nobody's watching. Woohoo! Yeah. Ooh, ooh, bibbidi bop, bop, ooh, ooh, ooh.
Passing planet number 7, Uranus. Rings, rings! Hey, it's got rings too. It's such a weird one. It spins on its side. Not too much farther to Pluto now.
Chester must be ready for us to get there.
Uh-huh.
Yay! Neptune! The last planet in the solar system.
Let's see what these things can do.
Whoa!
Hold on, guys. I can fix this.
Oh. Whoa. Huh?
Whoa. I think these chairs need a giant snowball. A giant snowball?
giant snowball headed straight for us. Hang on, Polos!
Whoa, what was that? It was huge.
Let's find out.
Whoa!
We're gaining on it! Woohoo!
You know, I think that giant snowball is a comet. Comets are just big balls of ice and dust and rock until they get near the sun.
Look, it's changing. Is it melting? It looks like the heat of the sun is setting it on fire.
Because the sun's energy heats the comet's ice and gases.
It's growing a long tail.
Whoa! Whoa! It's the rocks and ice from the comet's tail!
Willow, what do I do?
You've got this, Lily. Remember the button I told you not to touch? Well, punch it.
Punching it!